Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you are all having a great time. Today I am sharing with you my go-to Idli Dosa batter. This batter makes soft and spongy idlis and crispy dosas. Let's move on with the recipe. For making idli day after tomorrow, I usually start by soaking rice today night. Here I am taking 4 cups of idli rice or idli dosa rice. Wash it 3 to 4 times or until the water runs clear. Now fill it with fresh water and let it soak overnight. Into another container, add 1.5 cup of urad dal. Here I am using whole urad dal. Depending on the availability, I use split urad dal as well. Along with 3/4 of a cup of sago seeds. This is optional. Clean it well and fill with fresh water for soaking. Into it goes 4 teaspoons of methi seeds or fenugreek seeds. You may add fenugreek seeds from 1 teaspoon up to 4 teaspoons depending on the climate. In Kerala, my mother doesn't add fenugreek seeds, but her batter rises beautifully. In Middle East, I tried it, but it's not working. For me, 4 teaspoons work well both in summers as well as winters. Let it soak overnight. Usually, the rice and dal is soaked for 4 to 5 hours. Overnight soaking is my personal preference. Into the grinder, first goes soaked urad dal, sago seeds and methi seeds. Don't discard the water in which urad dal is soaked. Drain it into a container and keep adding it into the batter as it gets thicker while grinding. Here I don't have any soaked water left, so I'll be using normal water later. Along with 2 handful of poha, add water as required and grind it into a smooth fluffy batter. Once done, transfer it to another container and keep it aside for a while. Now we'll start grinding the soaked rice. Transfer the excess water into a container and slowly add rice into the grinder. The water kept aside can be used to loosen the batter as it gets tight while grinding. Once the rice turns smooth and gets done, add the previously kept urad dal batter into this. I am also adding 2 teaspoons of salt at this point. Once done, transfer the batter into a container and leave it for fermentation. Don't close the lid tight. Leave a small gap for the air to pass through. The fermentation time usually varies from 6 hours to 12 hours or more depending on the warmth of the place. The batter has now increased in volume and bubbles can be seen on top. Now that it has fermented, I am keeping it in the refrigerator. The batter doesn't require to be brought to room temperature. You can take the batter out of the refrigerator at the time of preparation and immediately start making idlis. This time I was preparing idli the very next day morning itself. You can continue preparing idli for the first 2 or 3 times and then start making dosas. Gently stir the top layer without disturbing the lower layers and continue with idli preparation. Leave space while filling the batter as it will rise while cooking. Once done, let it cool down a bit before taking idlis out, as idlis tend to stick to the pan when it is too hot. For making dosas, dilute the batter and if needed add salt and then proceed. I hope you like this video. See you soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.